Hello guys, if you wanna add event to calendar, just open your calendar and calendar is here. There's Google Calendar. Of course it works on every application of calendar, so if you have another one from the Google Play Store, no worry, it will also work. And as you can see, we have to click on this marker. Now you have to choose the type of the event. I will go with the normal event. And now we have to add title, so just insert your title. Mine will be hard reset. And now you have to just set up other options like color, descriptions, location. You can also add people there. So yeah, that's how it looks. And if you finish, just press on the save. And as you can see, our event will be here. So thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.